So ugly. Hello. Hello. Ew, why is it so small? Walking to Buffalo Dining Club.
Yes.
Yes, and we're getting our cheesy pasta. So pasta in a wheel, which is going to be really good. So now we're getting more food, and then hopefully check in, and then we're going to Koi later as well, which will be good. And everyone's wearing black. So nice.
It's just like a donut, but more crispy.
You know, you can just stand back, right?
It's the right angle, guys. Okay.
Wow. Oh, this looks sick, and
Not as sick as you.
oh, thanks, Mom. Oh.
This could have been see-through. Yeah.
Oh shit, that's legit.
He's pointed us to this alleyway.
We're in the alleyway. We just got the Uber. We just got the Koi. Actually, we're not even here yet because I don't know where it is. But yeah, we just laid around like potatoes for about a few hours instead of digesting between meals. But yeah, now we're hungry. But the cheese and wine place we wanted to go to that Carolyn recommended, so the cheese fondue closes at
Keep going.
10 o'clock, so we're not going to make it today. So we're going to try and go on Monday instead. Hey guys. Oh, that's Renault! You fangirling? I woke up way earlier than everybody else because I'm meeting Jasmine today and I'm freaking tired. Somebody kept pulling the blankets. Van. Look who it is, Jasmine! I found Jasmine.
Sydney.
Yeah, I found her in Sydney. What's going on?
We're lost.
No, we're not. No, we're not. We're going the right way. We're trying to find coffee. The weather is actually pretty good. It's not that cold. But seriously, there are so many people in the water. Probably can't see. It's about 3 p.m. So we're going to try and burn off some calories before we go to Key tonight. So we're going there for dinner, which will be good. We're going to try and go over there on that cliff. And we can't go. We're stuck. You have to lift the arms up. We just took about 500,000 photos with young selfie stick. 100% tourist. Oh, why am I in it? I don't wanna. We're going to Key now. So we just got ready in the last second. Oh my god, it's the opera house. at Circular Quay now, and we lost the other two because they're busy taking photos of the Sydney Opera House, and we have dinner in like 5 minutes. We were really hungry like 2 hours ago. We wanted ramen. Actually, we wanted ramen like yesterday and today. Crazy. But no time. Van doesn't have to wear her granny leggings. her skin. She hates skin colored things. We made it to Quay. Yay! So we have a booking at Quay, but they rather take photos of the bridge instead of going in there. Made it to the bridge. I can't remember what we ate now. But the snow egg. Snow egg was bomb, and they had feijoa in it, which was good. And everybody else didn't know what it was.
I knew it was a guava.
Hashtags work when you want likes.
Sydney food, Sydney life, Sydney beauty, Sydney cafe, Sydney food chair, Quay restaurant, Snow Egg, Sydney Harbour Bridge, Sydney Opera House, Circular Quay, The Rocks.
Goodbye.
Stop it. Oh my god, there's a salad.
With friends with salad. You know, with friends with salad.
You look 50. I like them.